Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing about a deletion operation first case, right? So, what is the first case? Deleted node is presented at leaf nodes, right? So, in this session, we are discussing about second case, that is deleted key is presented at internal nodes, right? So, here there are three possible solutions for this one, right? So, first one is if the deleted node is presented at internal nodes, right? So, if the deleted key is presented at internal node, it can be replaced by maximum of left subtree key, or it can be replaced by, second case is minimum of right subtree key. So this is the second case. So these two cases are only applicable for right subtree and left subtree contains more than minimum key values. Then only we can apply this procedure. Third case is if the left subtree and right subtree does not contains more than minimum key values, simply apply merging procedure. So merge left subtree and right subtree key values. So this is the procedure. So here once left subtree and right subtree does not contains more than minimum key values, simply we are applying merging procedure in between left subtree and right subtree key values, right? So based on these three, we are performing deletion operation at internal nodes, right? So these two cases are similar to binary search tree deletion operation. So in binary search tree deletion operation, if the node contains two nodes, deleted node contains two nodes, it can be replaced by maximum of left child or minimum of right child. So same procedure is for this also, right? So here I am taking one example. So this is the third order B tree. So for this, first of all, I am calculating the maximum children. So maximum children's formula is M. So these formulas are already discussing in previous sessions, that is introduction to B trees, right? So maximum children is M, which is equivalent to 3. Maximum keys are, what is the formula? M minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Minimum children, so minimum children are seal of M by 2, so 3 by 2. Seal of 3 by 2, 1.5, which is equivalent to upper boundary value, that is 2. Right? So minimum keys are, what is the formula? Seal of M by 2 minus 1. So seal of M by 2 means 3 by 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, which is equivalent to 1. So each and every node, that is internal nodes as well as leaf nodes, contains at least one key value. That is the minimum key value. So this rule is not applicable for root. So that property is already discussed in previous video, introduction to B trees. So root node can contain minimum number of keys or one key. Right? For suppose I am taking fifth order B tree, what are the minimum keys? What is the formula? Seal of M by 2, 5 by 2, which is equivalent to 2.5. Which is equivalent to 3 minus 1, 2, right? So each and every node contains two minimum keys except root, right? So root can contains minimum keys or one key, right? So that property is already discussing in previous session, introduction to B trees, right? So here I am taking this tree for performing deletion operation. Those keys are presented at internal nodes, right? So what are the internal nodes for this example? 30, 40, 60, 90, 100. So these are the internal nodes, these are the leaf nodes, this is root node, right? So here first of all I want to perform deletion. Delete 30. So what is the first procedure? First of all we are checking left subtree and right subtree contains more than minimum number of children or not. So in this position, left subtree contains more than minimum number of key values. Minimum key value is 1, but this left subtree contains more than minimum key value. So that's why 30 is replaced by maximum of left child. So what is the maximum key value? 20. So here we are replacing 20. 30 by 20. Right? But here we are not replacing minimum of left child, minimum of right child. Why? Because right child does not contains more than minimum key value. It contains only one key value. So that's why we are not applying replacing procedure. Just it violates the B-tree property. Fine. Then what is the next deleted node? Delete 90. Delete 90. So delete 90. Oh, 90. First of all, we are replacing the maximum of left child or minimum of right child. So here in this, left child does not contains more than minimum key values, but right children contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we are replacing minimum of key value for 90. Right? So what is the minimum key value? 92. So here 92 is replaced. Right? 90. Alright, now tree becomes like this. So at each and every deletion we are checking the properties of B tree. Right? So that is also very important thing. Right? So then we are deleting 20. Then we are deleting 20. So here 20 is presented at this one. So here 20 is replaced by maximum of left child or minimum of right child. This case is only applicable for this right and left child contains more than minimum key values, but it does not contains more than minimum key value. So that's why these two are not ready to give a key value to the 20. Right? So in such case we are applying third case. What is the case? Simply we are applying merging procedure in between left and right. Right? So along with root. Now tree becomes like this. So 20 comes down. 20 comes down. 10 is 1. Then we are deleting 20. So node becomes like this. So here our target deletion is 20. Right? So here we are deleting 20. Now node becomes 10 and 35. 10 and 35. Right? So once we are not ready give key to the parent node, simply we are applying merging procedure. Right? So then we are deleting 92. 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 So 92 is presented at this one. Right? So 92 is presented at this one. So here it can be replaced by maximum of left children or minimum of right children, but it does not contain more than key value. Simply we are applying merging procedure. That is 85, 92, 95. So we are deleting 90, we are deleting 92. So 92 has been deleted. 85. So here we are deleting 92. So this node contains 2 key values. Fine. Then we are deleting 50. We are deleting 50. So 50 is root node. So root node. So here this can be replaced by maximum of left children or minimum of right children. So what is the maximum of left children? 45 na. So 45. Minimum right children is 55. But 55 is not replaced the 50. Why? Because once 55 is replaced, this node is empty. So that's why we are not applying replacing procedure in between 55 to 50. Right? So simply we are replacing 45. Why? Because so this node contains maximum more than minimum key values. So that's why 50 is replaced by 45. Now tree becomes like this. Now tree becomes like this. Right? So then we are deleting 80. we are deleting 80. So 80 is also root node for this. These are the two left subtree, right subtree. Right? So here this can be replaced by maximum of left children or minimum of right children. What is the maximum left children? 65. Minimum right key value is 85. Right? So here 65 is not replaced as the 80. Why? Because this node does not contains more than minimum key value. So that's why simply here we are using 85. So 85 replaces the 80. Right? So again we are deleting 35. So 35 is presented at leaf node. So in leaf node, first of all we are checking this key. This node contains more than minimum key values. Obviously it contains more than minimum key values. So that's why we can directly delete 35. We can delete 35. Node tree becomes like this. Fine. Then we are deleting 120. So 120 is also presented at leaf node. So this node also contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we can directly delete 120. Now tree becomes like this. Then we are deleting 60. We are deleting 60. So 60 cannot be replaced by maximum of left children and minimum of right children. Why? Because it does not, these nodes does not contains minimum of more than minimum key values. So that's why we are not applying replacing procedure. Just we are asking his sibling 100, but it does not ready to give any key value to 60. Then 60 asks do something for 85. So 85. So 60 asks 85 do something. Right? Now 85 comes down. Now 85 comes down and merging with his sibling. Merging with sibling. So that is 60. So these two are also merged. 55, 65. So first of all, this concept, this is not applicable case, replacing concept. Then asking his sibling, this is also not ready to give any key value to the 60. Then ask root to do something. So that's why root comes down and merging with his sibling. Sibling, what is sibling? 100. So 60, 100 merging with root. 60, 85, 100. These two are also merged, right? So here I am deleting 60. So 85 is also comes down. Huh? So here I am deleting 60. We are establishing a connection in between 85 to 65. So now this tree also satisfies all B tree properties, right? So then we are deleting 65. So 65 is presented at a leaf node. So this leaf node contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we are applying deletion procedure directly. Now tree becomes like this. Then we are deleting 100. Then we are deleting 100. So here 100. So here 100 is replaced by minimum of left children or maximum of right children. But these two does not contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we are applying simply merging procedure. So after merging 95, 100, 110. 95, 100, 110. 95, 100, 110. We are deleting 100. This is the, so we are deleting 100. Now tree becomes like this. Right? So then we are deleting. Now this tree also satisfies the B tree properties. Now we are deleting 95. So 95 is presented at leaf node. So this leaf node contains more than minimum key value. So that's why we are directly delete 95. 95. Right? So then we are deleting 85. So 85 is replaced by his minimum left children are maximum right children, sorry, maximum left children or minimum right children, but these two does not contains more than minimum key values. So then ask, borrow a key from his child, from his sibling, but this is not ready to give a key. So then ask root to do something. So here 45 comes down. So 45 comes down, merge with this one, and also merge with his sibling. So here simply 45 comes down, merge with sibling. 85 is this one, right? So here 85 comes down. So 85 nodes are also merged. 55, 110. So at each and every deletion, we are shrinking tree. So level is decreased, right? So deleting one by one key value, at some stages, height is decreased, level is decreased, right? So here 55, 100. Then we are deleting 85. Then we are